Welcome back to another video. Today we got Harbor Freight or tour review. We got the Braun compact work light battery bank. It's a 1250 lumens. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews, tour deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Here in the front we got the Braun compact work light battery bank. So this is a battery bank. If you guys don't know what a battery bank is, it's pretty much a battery that you can connect your cell phone, charge your cell phone with, or charge any other via USB device. Maybe it's a tablet, or maybe another flashlight or something that's fairly small. It says "Try me" on the back, so we'll go ahead and try that out. Looks like we got some. We got a lead bar here, and then we got some, maybe this is plastic or rubber. See, it says USB port. If I can put that closer, it says USB ports, charge smartphones, tablets, cameras, and more. It says variable light mode. It says high, low, rechargeable lithium. So up to 5.5 hours of runtime, maybe probably on low. Super bright white LED. Impact resistance, lens, reflector, and housing. It says stays cooler, lasts longer than halogen bulbs. Kick stand base for easy positioning. Lumens 1250, lumens 1250. And we got item number 56163. Alright, let's look at the back here. It says "Try me, do not look directly into the LED." So yeah, pretty strong stuff here. Kickstand, rugged housing for stands up to worksite punishment. Ultra bright LED, high-low modes. It says 1250 lumens, 3 hours of runtime, 141 feet. It says on low, that's on high. On low, it's 650 lumens, 5.5 hours runtime, 98 feet distance or battery capacity. It's a 4,400 mAh with a 3.7 volts. Looks like it does come with some sort of charging cable, and then we got variable speed mode, so same thing as the other side. Distributed by Harbor Freight, Calabasas, California, made in China. Okay, so let's open it up and see what this looks like. Hopefully I won't. And this plastic is in there. Alright. That's the light. Alright. First of all, we got some instructions. You know, we always like to read the instructions. Yeah, right. Just gonna open them up, show them real quick to you guys. Got a small booklet here. Set that aside. Then we got a USB port or USB cable, mic with a micro USB attached. So this is micro USB, regular USB. Then we got the lights here. So this is kind of like rubber. Yeah, this is rubber, hard rubber. So this is all this yellow part is hard rubber. Then we got the lights. We do have a clear lens. It's plastic in there. It says Braun here on the front. It's rubber too. So and then here on the top it looks like we have some sort of mount, so you can mount into a workstation or a tripod. And then on the back here we got a cap. It is, if you guys see closely, it does have weather stripping. Package doesn't say anything about waterproof. You got some LED lights here that'll tell you the, let's see if I can turn it on. See, it tells you you got the red, yellow, and green. So that's probably the battery itself. You know, then you got a USB right there, and the micro USB there, and then you got the on and off button. It says 100%, 50% SOS flash off. On the back we got Braun rechargeable LED work light battery bank, contains 3.7 volts, so it's pretty much the same thing as the other one. Calabasas, California. We got the serial number there. Alright. Oh, nice. I like the way it has the clicking, so you can pretty much set it in any angle like that. Even if you want to hang it with something like that, you can hang it like that. It does have like a little knob here, so you can just maybe hang it by something. Hang it like that, or set it down like that. So we gotta say it looks pretty bright, so let me just turn it on. So we got the light there. We got a high, low. Then we got a flashing. Then we got a rapid flashing. Then it's off. I gotta say, this is pretty bright. I gotta test it in my backyard, let you guys know, see how it performs. Then if you guys want to charge your phone, let's see if this works. Yep, it is charging. Yep. Charging 55%. So it's probably not a fast charger, but it is charging. I like the way it sits, you know, sits at the bottom and it doesn't hit this sensor piece, because it hits just the rubber part. So that's a nice little feature that they have. But yeah, that's the way you charge it, or charge a phone. Then if you want to charge this, so I guess when you plug it in, that's the way it works. It just basically flashes until it's charged. So yeah, we'll try this out outside. We'll see how this works. I'm testing it outside. You can see it very clear with this. It's super bright, brighter than any of the lights that I have. That is a strobe light, and that is the quicker strobe. And as you can see, that trailer back there, the one on the top, that's about 40 feet away. That's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.